Oh wow, the casing is something, huh? Wow, I like the packaging. It's kind of different compared to my other orders. Oh, cardboard. Alright. Oh, wow. They really protected the casing. Too bad I don't need the casing. What I need is the actual product. Okay, let's unbox it. But before that, let's take some picture first. Let's open it, shall we? Ah. Oh my goodness. I hope that the paint was not chipped off. But yeah, it is what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my, how much? Oh. It's fine. Oh. I should be careful next time. Oh. Hell yeah. This one is white, but the original color is supposed to be black, right? Oh, I did not chip off the paint, so it's fine. In fairness, the quality is good. There's no paint here, so this is the exposed engine. And yeah, there you go, that's your Sesto Elemento. Let's take a look at the bottom part. Alright. Okay, now for the rolling test. Let's test it. Of course, it will roll because it is a Hot Wheels. So, there you go. Like and subscribe.